Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to run Facebook ads with your Shopify store? First of all, you need to verify your domain. Here's how. First of all, go to business.facebook.com, then click business settings from the left side bar or settings. Now, click add. Now, on the left side, on the left, scroll down to brand safety tab, then click domains. Now click add button, enter your Shopify domain example, your shopify.com, like that. Copy it and paste here. Click create a domain, paste here, then click add. Choose the meta tag verification method, click verify method domain. Copy the meta tag code shown. In your Shopify, go back to your Shopify store and go to online store. Now from here, click the three dot icon, then edit code. Open theme.liquid. Paste the meta tag just under the head tag. Like that, then click save. Back in your business manager, then click verify domain. It might take a few minutes, but once verified, you are all set. And that's it.